I look like a joker. I hope the universe listens to me this time. Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I was going out and I decided to make a little get ready with me video. And I know I haven't been posting much videos from the past few months, but the thing is I'm really trying to be consistent. And last year it was a very different year for me. It has changed me a lot. Like बहुत ज़्यादा dramatic way में नहीं, but emotionally and mentally it has changed me a lot because बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी जो मैंने प्लान की थी and they didn't go as per the plan. And a lot of people have disappointed me, a lot of situations have disappointed me. And दैट इज़ द रीज़न मैं बहुत ज़्यादा ड्रेन हो गई अंदर से कम्प्लीटली. एंड मैंने यूट्यूब पे वापस आने की कोशिश भी की, मैंने वीडियोस भी पोस्ट किए, बट लाइक 2-3 वीडियोस डाले एंड देन आई डिसअपीयर्ड अगेन. एंड आई मीन या मैं शॉर्ट वीडियोस एंड ऑल अपलोड कर रही थी, बट I mean, long videos, they were just like too much for me. So I disappeared again. I think there comes a phase wherein हम sad भी नहीं होते but हम खुश भी नहीं होते. We are not okay as well. So I was stuck there for a while. I mean, I was not feeling any kind of emotion. I was not being happy. I was not being sad. And I was just tired of everything. Like, I was tired of explaining myself. I was tired of people disappointing me again and again and again. And I was tired of the same situations and the same patterns repeating themselves. And as this is a new year and also a new beginning for me, and I'm finally done being stuck wherever I was, I have decided to now focus more on myself than be it going to the gym, eating good food, doing skincare, or taking care of my body, or whatever I feel like, or making more videos. I am gonna do it. It is gonna be a new year, new me kind of a thing. I know it sounds cliche, but it is what it is. I am someone who feels things very deeply. I'm an overly empathetic person. I get attached very easily to people, to dreams, or even any plans, or even anything. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा जल्दी अटैच हो जाती हूँ, and when I get attached very intensely. But if they don't work out as per the plan I have in my head, then I get hurt to a level that I never admit. It literally hurts me, but I can never show it on my face, but it does. And the last year has been somewhat devastating, I can say. Not devastating completely, but yeah, it has been a huge disappointment. I thought that the last year would be a turning point of my life. I mean, it was a turning point of my life, but in a very negative way. I mean, I have lost a lot of friendships. I have lost a lot of myself in the whole process. I have lost dreams, I have lost motivation, I have lost even jobs. I've lost. So, yeah, last year was not the way I planned it in the beginning. But it's okay, anyways. This year is gonna be great. I have literally prepared myself for it, that no matter what happens, this year I'm gonna make it good. I hope the universe listens to me this time and does not disappoint me at all. I do know one thing for sure, that I want a lot from my life. I want to make it big. I want to make a lot of memories. I want to do something I love. I want to feel confident in my own skin. And जब भी मैं अपनी लाइफ जर्नी की तरफ पीछे मुड़ के देखूँ ना, I want to feel very proud of myself. And I know one day it will happen for sure. So even if I don't have anything figured out yet, I don't want to stop showing up anymore. I want to do something I love. I want to create videos. I want to film myself. Then be it a get ready with me video like this or any random video, I just want to create. I don't want to stop showing up. I think हम अपने आप पे इतना ज़्यादा प्रेशर बना देते हैं ना that we have to be perfect, we have to be healed, we have to figure things out as soon as possible. But it's okay if you're still messy. It's okay if you need time to figure things out. You can still start. I mean, that's how it's done. We cannot wait for the timing to be perfect. We cannot wait for the moment to be perfect. If we keep waiting, I guess बहुत ज़्यादा time निकल जाएगा. And you just have to take one step ahead and you just have to start. I mean, I know I'm starting to sound like a philosopher, but trust me, I've been there. I have waited for the timing to be right. I have waited for the situation to be right. I have waited for myself to be okay, but it never happened. एक चीज़ ख़त्म होने के बाद दूसरी चीज़ आई, दूसरी चीज़ ख़त्म होने के बाद तीसरी चीज़ आई, and things just went on and on and on, and just it never stopped. It's a loop. So I decided to start anyway. I mean, not start, resume. I decided to resume anyway. Also, do let me know if you guys like these kind of calm, get ready with me videos. I actually like sitting here and talking while I get ready. And मुझे personally बहुत ज़्यादा comforting feel होता है. Like, it feels like I'm talking to a friend or something. And yeah, just do let me know in the comments if you like these kind of videos. And oops, मैंने blush बहुत ज़्यादा लगा दिया. It's okay, I can cover it up. This is my favorite blush actually. It's from Benefit and I've been using for the last, I guess, 2-3 years or maybe more, I guess. And this is just so natural and I love doing my makeup using this blush. It's just that I've applied it too much. I look like a joker, but it's okay, I'll blend it out. See, this is what I was talking about. I feel like I'm talking to a friend. I just love yapping in front of the camera while getting ready. And this is the first time actually I'm doing a get ready with me without mentioning the products, without mentioning the brands, and just talking non-stop. So, and I'm loving it. And baat karte karte I'm almost done with my look. And I just have highlighter and lipstick remaining. I can see better in the camera than the mirror actually. My highlighting points. I've suddenly turned into a makeup tutorial kind of a thing. I mean, I'll quickly apply my lipstick and I think मैंने eye makeup थोड़ा heavy किया है, तो I'll just keep my lips a bit neutral. Lip liner. I like to blend the lip liner as well. It looks good. Lip color. I think it looks pretty good. And now it's time for lip gloss. Oh my god. Should I just... Ew, does not look good. And I'm done. Oh, shoot. Okay, this is my final look. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Love you. Bye.